Do I look like a fucking toilet to you?
You frickin' bully, you coward!
I'm not arrogant. I'm on a power trip. I'm in a total commitment against evil.
I mean, I will break your jaw in seconds.
It's gone.
My fists are going to be bleeding with your teeth marks all over them. Remember that scumbag forever.
Try to stab your mother in the back because you're a big boy leaving the nest. Well, guess what? You know what your mother is going to do? So, this must be done. Scum. There is no more pleasure. There is no more pain. Total resistance against every form of tyranny, against the mind of men. You want to fight? You got one. And I will not have pieces of fucking shit lie about me and say I'm not true. Arrogant scumbags. I'm pouring out my guts, my soul, my family, everything I've got committed to this. And anybody fucks with me is going to get the full truth. You think I'm here to be shit on? Arrogant dirtbag. You scare me so bad. Pieces of shit. Fuck you. I hate you. I will do it. You are a backstabber. I will smash your nose into a bloody pulp, and I will rack your teeth out. I am the best. I am the fastest. I can destroy you, scum. All of you. You are a hand biter.
Oh, yeah. Scum! Scum!
You are a snake. I can outthink and outmaneuver all these people.
Now, repent now. I'm red-blooded and I hate murderers. Oh, boy.
And it's scary. Because I'm a scary person.
Break your jaw, I will knock your teeth out, I will break your nose, and I will break your neck.
Fuck you. You are a disgrace. You are a fraud. I'm leveling up. There's only war. And I commit myself to total war against Satan.
Get off the ground! Drop it! Let me see your hands, motherfucker! Let me see your hands! Drop your gun! Just put your hands in the air! Put your hands up! Hands up! Let me see your hands! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground!